Hi, I'm Tina Simpson, one of the faculty members in the Department of Pediatrics, and I am very happy to present the entries for the 2021 School of Medicine Diversity Fair from the Department of Peds. We are very happy about the diversity in our department, and we're happy to showcase recipes from India as well as the Southern United States for this year's Diversity Fair. Our first entry comes from Dr. Smita Bhatia in the Division of Hematology Oncology. Dr. Bhatia presented a recipe for rice Keer, which is an Indian rice pudding made with only 3 basic ingredients: rice, milk, and sugar. The reason it's so commonly made in India is because the basic ingredients are so readily available. On the slide, you see Dr. Bhatia making her rice pudding. And the final picture there is the final presentation. And let me just say, it is indeed delicious. Thank you, Dr. Bhatia, for your submission. Our next recipe came from Dr. Samantha Hill, who is in the Division of Adolescent Medicine. Dr. Hill presented a recipe called Annie's Southern Fried Chicken, which is served with a side of collards and candied yams. Yum, yum. For those of you who may be looking for a lighter version of Annie's chicken recipe, there's also Annie's baked chicken with a side of roasted sweet potatoes and kale. So just as yummy, but maybe slightly fewer calories and less fat. Thank you, Dr. Hill, for these wonderful submissions. Our next series of recipes came from Dr. Reed Dimmitt, who is in the Division of Gastroenterology in the Department of Pediatrics. And Dr. Dimmitt is our resident chef. This year he presented recipes. The first one is his shrimp and andouille jambalaya. Look at that photo. Is that not gorgeous? Thank you, Dr. Dimmitt, for the jambalaya. He also presented a recipe for seafood filet gumbo, and it is as delicious as it is beautiful. Thank you, Dr. Dimmitt. And finally, his recipe for the St. Louis style gooey butter cake. Simple recipe with just yellow cake mix, eggs, butter, cream cheese, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar, but very, very delicious. Thank you, Dr. Dimmitt, for all of your submissions. And finally, I'd like to just present a photo of the members of our planning committee, Dr. Samantha Hill, myself, Tina Simpson, Dr. Tamara Cohen-Beasley, and again, Reed Dimmitt. And that is a photo of us getting ready to sample Dr. Dimmitt's recipes. Again, they were all incredibly delicious. Thank you so much for everyone who submitted recipes from the Department of Pediatrics.